Nurses working in rural areas in KwaZulu-Natal say a lack of resources and a shortage of staff are major issues for them. Part of the Ixopo Clinic, they have commemorated International Nurses Day by marching through the town. The clinic has also remembered healthcare workers who lost their lives to COVID-19. Litiwe Mdluli reports.
These nurses marched through Ixopo in celebration of International Nurses Day. The day started with a poem written by one of the nurses, which highlighted some of their challenges.
Nursing is a profession unlike any others, but today is a day unlike any others. Indeed, COVID-19 has affected us. Until when, I wonder? One day this too shall pass and be history. Until then, let's have hope and faith unlike any others. We are the nurses.
This year's celebrations come at a time when nurses and other healthcare workers are overworked and struggling with the lack of resources due to the coronavirus pandemic. Nurses at the Ixopo Clinic say their situation is no different, as most healthcare institutions in rural areas are battling.
We need vehicles to reach people like in deep rural areas. Like if you look at Ixopo Clinic, we've got 4 mobile clinics. Then we have 2 HCAs, which mobile clinics go to various points to meet those clients that we need to see.
The nurses say they are now preparing for the third wave as daily COVID-19 infection rates are rising.
I would like to see a change, as in lots of nurses coming into the field because there are lots of unemployed nurses. So if the staff can be employed, I think we can cope with the third wave that is coming.
Meanwhile, the operations manager at Ixopo Clinic says even though this year's celebrations come at a difficult time, they had to do something to honor the staff for their hard work.
In the past 2 years, from 2019, we've been working under strictly stress in terms of this pandemic that is here in the world. So what we are celebrating today, we really say thank you, God, because even though the pandemic is here, but we can still able to nurse and do what we pledge to do.
More celebrations are set to take place in different hospitals this week. Litiwe Mdluli, Ixopo, KZN.